And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the code tag. It's another simple tag. It defines code, as the name suggests, and by default it changes the font family to monospace. Let me just give you an example. So in CSS we've got the font family property. If I just write it like this, it's regular plain text. Well, let's just say we want to make it obvious that font family is the way to write it in CSS. So we could use the code tag right here. And you can now see that font family has this monospace font by default. So nothing too complex. It's also very useful for screen readers and search engines. So use it when you want to display code. And this is all there is to know about the code tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.